Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp22 Excel Chapter 11 ML2 donors. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyITLab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 11 ML2 donors. Here is a project description. You can also read it out carefully for better understanding of this assignment project. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file named Exp22 Excel Chapter 11 mid-level 2 donors. Reader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically in this question you will have to download this Excel workbook from MyITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyITLab dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is use the donor worksheet through step 13. The first column display the name of the college or school, such as art or businesses associated with each. You want to assign a 3 character code to each college and use that code to attach the existing donor's ID to create a unique ID. In cell B7, insert the left function to extract the first 3 characters from the college name in the cell A7. Copy the function to the range B8 to B34. In cell B7, we have write a function equals to left A7 to 3. Then copy the function to the range. Drag this formula to the last of the range. As you can see that the college ID are now displayed in this column. In cell E7, type scholars and use the flash fill to fill the last name for the donors in the range E8 to E34. Scheduler, write this name, then go to the flash fill to fill this. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is the address column contains street addresses, city name and state abbreviations. To manage the addresses list better, you will separate the data into 3 columns. Select the addresses in the range F7 to F34 and convert the text to column separating the data at commas. Deselect other delimiters. First we select the range addresses range F7 to F34, then convert the text to columns separating the data at commas, then deselect the other delimiters. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you A plus grade for every assignments, every midterm exam, final exam or a complete course. First we select this range, then go to the data tab, click on advanced, sorry text to column, then comma delimited. As you can see that the question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is the college and school names. The college and school names display in all capital letters in column A. You want to display the names in upper and lowercase. In cell I7, insert a text function that displays the college name from cell A7 with just the first letter capitalized, such as engineering. Copy the function to the range I8 to I34. Basically, in this question, some of the college student names are in the upper or lower case. First, you will insert a function in this cell equals to proper function, then A7, then copy the function to the range I7 to the last of the range. As you can see that the all the college names are in the uppercase and lowercase. First capital letter are capital and others are lowercase. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is to analyze the donor records. You are ready to create criteria and output ranges. You will enter conditions to find records for donors to the College of the Business who donated $1,500 or more. Copy the range A6 to J6 to cell A37 to create the column labels. For the criteria range, type business in the cell I38 and greater than or equal to 1500 in the cell J38. Then move to the workbook. First we select this range. Then we go to the data tab. And then greater than or equal to 15,000. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is you are ready to create the output area and perform the advanced filter. Copy the column labels from the range A37 to J37 to cell A41 to create the column labels for the output range. Perform the advanced filter by copying the records to the output area. First we select this range A37 to J37 to cell A41, A37 to then type this range, copy to A37 to J37, A41. Question number 7 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is uh, now that you created a copy of the record meeting, the condition you are ready to enter the database function in the summary area. In cell J2, insert the database function to total the value of donations for the records that meet the condition in the criteria range you create in step 6. In cell J2, we have write a function, database function. In this cell, you will have to write a function dsum a6 to the range a34. Donation in the inverted commas. Also select this range a6 to j34. Then press enter. As you can see that the total donations are calculated now. Question number 8 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 9. Question number 9 is in cell J3 insert the database function to calculate the average. First we calculate the average donation equals to d average database function, the average and database field criteria. These are the fields. We will have to pass these range. then type a donation, then type a criteria, then press enter. As you can see that the average donations are calculated now. Now we will move to the question number 10. Question number 10 is, in cell J4, insert the database function to count the number of records that meet the condition in the criteria range that you created in step 6. In this cell, you will have to type a function dcount, donate, you will have to pass this range in this function dcount. Donation, then pass a criteria, then hit enter. As you can see that the total donors are calculated now. We have now completed 10 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses MyITLab, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.